Carrots are rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. They are low in calories and high in water content. Parsley is a great source of vitamins C and K, as well as folate and iron. These nutrients help support a healthy immune system. Carrots are a great source of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is important for maintaining good vision, a healthy immune system, and promoting healthy skin. Tahini is made from ground sesame seeds, which means it's packed with nutrients. Tahini is a great source of healthy fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These fats are good for your heart and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Carrots also contain vitamins C and K, as well as minerals like potassium and manganese.